Hello all, welcome to my master bedroom wardrobe. This is my new rental home. The wardrobes are very spacious and I have a very less number of dresses. You know, I'm a minimal person. Since there are a lot of spaces, this time I'm not using any major organizers. Usually I have many organizers, but this wardrobe is very spacious, so I don't need organizers. So first is my wardrobe. Here I am hanging all the good salwars, later on the daily wear salwars, like that in an order I have placed everything. I still have some more space. I have extra hangers, so I thought I will also include my husband's half coats here. My hubby's half coats, he loves to wear half coats. This is a tie hanger which I made myself. It's a DIY. So I thought I'll include his half coats too here. This is a space below. This is a tray with my extra dupattas, and these are the leggings I rarely use. Later on when organizing, I felt, why do I need to give so much space for leggings which I don't use much, so I kept my pants and my kurtis. The below part I thought I'll use it for daily wears. So these are the night wears which I use at home, and the kurtis or nighties which I wear in the day. And this tray has my inner wears and the whisper pads and other things. The storage below, I thought I'll place all my travel bags, the suitcases and the small bags which we use while traveling. So this place is apt for that. Now this is mine and my husband's cosmetic drawer. It's such a mess. I have put a separate video on organizing the drawers. I will tag it here. This is his after organizing. He has very minimal stuff, so doesn't need much of organizers. I just placed it where he can see it. It's anyway going to go messy. And this is mine, fully messy. So I have used some organizers and got it ready. I have a full video which I will tag. Now this is his wardrobe. I have given one full space for him because he has too many dresses. So on the top rack we have the neck pillows and other items which he rarely uses. This row has his traditional wears, his mundu, his kurtas and all that, and to the right he has all his denims, and here he has his formal wears. This row is full of formal wears and t-shirts. The shirts have gone for laundry. Then his daily wear, what he wears at home. These are full hand winter wears, and the rest is his daily wear and inner garments which I have laid in trays. Below we have these blankets and all which we used earlier when we were in Bangalore. Razai, winter blankets and other things. So this is his wardrobe. It's very spacious, so I'm not using my trays and organizers at this home. The next wardrobe is what is required at home. So these have the winter wears which we used in Bangalore. All these are bedspreads, winter bedspreads. These are towels, bath towels, hand towels, then bed sheets. Then here I have the extra pillow covers. I have a tray here to keep all miscellaneous things which I don't know where to put, so they have a place there. Then these are cushion covers, extra curtains, and I always purchase extra patiala pants and all which I use at home. White, black, maroons which I use often. Then below is my sari collection. I keep my saris in these bags. So each bag has different type of saris. One has works, one has Kanchipuram, one has Kerala type white saris, one has daily wear saris, like that. And these two small bags contain all the blouses for these saris. So it's very organized. I always place in them so that in one place I get all the accessories for saris. It's a very good storage. I'm using them for 10 years now. And below we have all other miscellaneous things which I have placed in covers. So this is the home linen cabinet. So that's it. This is a wardrobe in my master bedroom. This has home linens, and this has my husband's wardrobe, and this is mine. Hope you like it. Thank you.